Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at an unboxing of the REI Passage 3 tent with footprint. It weighs in at a packed weight of 6 pounds 15 ounces. Minimum trail weight is 5 pounds 11 ounces. Has an X-pole configuration, which should set up a snap with only 2 poles to have to put up. Has 2 doors and 2 vestibules. This is the package it came shipped to me in. We're going to open it up today. Take a look and see what we get inside the box. I didn't say before, the Passage 3 is a 3-person tent. Inside it comes with a nice stuff sack. Measurements it shows is 82 inches long, 72 inches wide, and 48 inches height. Inside our stuff sack, we have poles, aluminum poles. We'll see how this gets set up. Rain fly. And then the tent. And we also get stakes. Simple aluminum hook-shaped stakes. And that's it for the unboxing. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll show setup and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.